while you are waiting for the foods, i-announce natin yung ating best in costume. Okay? So, mamaya i-stop mo ha. Pakitabi lang po yung stop. Pakitabi lang. Sit down muna kayo. Sit down kayo.
I'm sorry.
And kindly go to your own chair. Come on. In a count of 5. Assist mo si Kuya. Baka nakakawin mo sa akin. Okay? Okay na. Lahat ng keys back to your own chair. Get ready. In a count of 5. Kailangan lahat nakaupo na. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kindly keep your stuff for the goods, okay? But for the meantime, we're going to announce the award team
Nawala yung handle.
for Best in Costume. Okay, here we go. Okay na? Meron pa rin. Okay. Sige, yung mga yung costume ko, get ready na po. I-announce na po who's best in costume. So, when I call out your name, you're going to go here in front. And of course, i-model nyo kung ano yung